Understanding Gale-Force winds, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and vivid phrase in the English language, gale-force winds. This term is not just a description of the weather, but it's also a vibrant part of English expressions. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how it can be used in different contexts. Gale-force winds refer to very strong and powerful winds. The term comes from the Beaufort scale, which measures wind speed. Gale-force winds are classified as having speeds from approximately 39 to 54 miles per hour, 63 to 87 kilometers per hour. These winds are strong enough to create significant wave heights and can have a noticeable impact on land and sea. The phrase, gale-force winds, originates from the Beaufort wind force scale, developed by Sir Francis Beaufort in the 1800s. This scale was initially used by sailors to estimate wind speeds based on observed sea conditions. Today, it's used by meteorologists worldwide to describe wind intensity. While gale-force winds is a meteorological term, it's also used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, someone might say, "The debate sparked gale-force winds of opinion on social media," using the term to describe the strength and intensity of people's reactions. Understanding the physical characteristics of gale-force winds can be vital, especially for safety. These winds can cause flying debris, uproot trees, and create hazardous driving conditions. Recognizing their strength helps in making informed decisions during such weather conditions. I hope this video has helped you understand what gale-force winds are and how this phrase is used both in weather forecasting and metaphorically. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures those words paint. Stay safe and keep learning.